The epidemic of diabetes is indeed a scourge that induces a significant degree of infliction for more than 100 million patients in India. Moreover, it is a global malady that affects more than 830 million patients worldwide. Diabetes in the lean is more than just a personification of illness, it occurs predominantly as type 1 diabetes mellitus, but research across the world and homegrown exploration and research in Vellore has shown that there are other important causes which include primary pancreatic disorders, low birth weight, genetic disorders of insulin production and resistance, and malnutrition, which may be antenatal and compounded by postnatal factors. The dawn of January 2025 will witness an epical conclave that involves the footfall of close to 30 international experts from across the globe, encompassing 5 continents and 15 countries, and 70 national experts, covering the length and breadth of diabetes from a pragmatic, clinical, academic, and research-oriented perspective, ranging from field to bench to bedside. Forays into the nutritional aspects as an etiological factor involved in the evolution of diabetes. Particularly the great paradox of undernutrition as a causative factor will be discussed. Diabetes in pregnancy is an epidemic within an epidemic and is responsible for another torrential shower of young women who are affected with this problem, and there are orations that will cover these disorders in detail. State-of-the-art research on genetics is a factor which is involved in the development of diabetes as talked about, and these conditions should be considered as not too uncommon, since their therapy may differ from other causes of young-onset diabetes mellitus. Lucid workshops and sessions will cover the diabetes foot, genetics, pancreatic and islet cell transplantation, body composition analysis, and insulin pump usage. In an effort to stimulate growing researchers and young minds, there are oral and poster presentations and quiz competitions for undergraduates and interns, broad specialty postgraduates and higher specialty postgraduates. This press meet Dr. Nihal Thomas and finally Pro Durai Jasper ended the press meet thanks speech.
எஸ். துரைராஜ், தினக்குரல், மாவட்ட செய்தியாளர், வேலூர்.